So this Monday was a very sleepy one for me. I decided to go for a loose flowy dress that almost feels like I'm wearing a set of pajamas. I love how feminine these bell sleeves are and how the fabric flows when I move. My absolute favorite part about the dress is the red embroidering along the front, which gives it a nice pop of color and adds to the overall daintiness of the dress. Since the office does get pretty cold sometimes, I brought along my favorite black coat that I've had since high school. The 3/4 sleeves of the coat still allows for the dress sleeves to peek out, which I love. I contrasted the femininity of the dress with some black buckle sandals. As you can see from the worn heels, they're definitely starting to see the end of their days. Tuesday morning was so cloudy. I am very much a creature of the sun, so all I wanted to do on this day was to drown in a cozy sweater. I went for this taupe-colored knit that has a casual loose fit. To keep it from looking too frumpy, I paired it with black lace shorts over tights and then topped it off with my trusty black boots. I knew I had to venture out to the laundromat at night, so this was perfect for keeping me warm and comfortable as I crossed this task off my to-do list very grumpily. I typically have most of my work meetings on Wednesday, so it's also the day when I try to look the most put together. I went with an outfit that I think would be my uniform if I were a cartoon character. On the top, I have my favorite grandma cardigan in this dark green color. It has tan elbow pads that remind me of Mr. Rogers. Underneath is a beige crop top that I often reach for when I want something neutral and simple. On the bottom is my classic collegiate look, a staple A-line black skirt, brown thigh-high socks, and my favorite shoes, a pair of Oxford lace-ups. Because my hair was also starting to get a wee bit greasy at this point, I threw my hair up in a ponytail and tied it up with a thrifted red scarf. On Thursday, I just really wanted to wear a new anorak that I got from ModCloth. It's wonderful. I meant to buy a heavy-duty warm coat for the winter months, but instead ended up with this lightweight jacket. This is why I try to avoid online shopping and just stick to thrifting. But here we are. I thought this striped, long-sleeved crop top would look great peeking out of the anorak when I rolled up my sleeves. To hide more of my midline and make this work appropriate, I paired it with navy high-waisted shorts that have these nautical button details. Thursday is also usually day 4 hair for me, which means I am desperately trying to hide the fact that my hair is an absolute greasy mess. I finished up the outfit with my black Velcro heels, which I really love, but I think it's mostly because I love the nostalgic idea of having Velcro shoes. It's Friday, and this particular Friday was the last day of summer, so I was very much in the mood for something very romantic. I'm wearing almost all ModCloth. On the bottom is a burgundy midi skirt that makes me feel like a princess. On the top, I tucked in a black blouse with the most wonderful ruffle straps. I like how it shows off a lot of my shoulder and collarbone area. I knew I wanted to eat bumbahoe today for lunch, so I made sure I wore dark clothes to avoid staining myself with the chili oil that I will inevitably spill, which I did, so go me, kind of. I love the way this outfit makes me feel, which I think is the most important thing about getting excited about getting up in the morning and putting on clothes and showing yourself out to the world. On my feet are a pair of black-heeled mules to keep me from drowning in the fabric. I also brought along a casual light gray duster cardigan to dress the entire outfit down and keep me warm in the air conditioning. On weekends, when most people bust out their best outfits, I opt for maximum comfort instead. Saturday was no exception. I went with a very simple, sweet, white off-the-shoulder top that I tied at my waist. For my bottoms, I have flowery red shorts that have a comfy smocked band. The star of this outfit, though, is this beautiful, oversized gray cardigan. It is so cozy. It is essentially a somewhat socially acceptable way to wear a blanket around, which I am definitely all for. On my feet are a classic white low-top Converse. And with that, my Saturday was set for casual lounging, working from home, and the midday park visit. Sunday was the day I headed to the airport to fly to Paris. I slid into the slinky black dress with a strappy back, threw on my jean jacket complete with my Smokey the Bear and Yoshi pin, and slipped into my black mules again. And then I was off.